I guess right above choke. Up an R.
There's a couple outside dark room, guys. A couple. Wait.
Has one hit towards north stairs, watch out.
Grenade!
Behind me, not the
Grenade!
desk. Enemy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Oh, no problem.
wow.
I only took 5%.
Behind the chairs in the middle.
Enemy spotted.
Always by
Got
the
eyes on
signs.
enemy.
Has
And
one
she's
at
by the
the
signs.
Behind the chair, I spotted him twice.
Got eyes on HVT. Enemy spotted.
Yeah, stream, you don't got shit.
Oh!
Okay, last one up
me,
now, I
lady.
guess.
Leave me alone.
Enemy spotted.
That's nice work.
Securing X-ray.
Yeah, I don't know how you're still alive.
Yeah, well, I saw that, Green. I came out there to join you.
Grab the flag and get it to extract. Over.
Camp Gurney again here.
Mm-hmm.
Go out of the way of the door. He's throwing something. He's coming up. He's pushing up. No
Gosh,
plan. He's
I'm
on me
dead.
right now. They're gonna secure me. Push up. Push up. Push up.
Man, what happened to the other guy? I thought he was
There's
backing
only
me
two
up.
guys. Come on,
Shit.
they're ripped up.
He's coming around. Yeah. God, the other one came into west.
Got it.
Oh, shit.
Bullshit.
I don't even pick me up.
Lady never shoots that good. Come on.
One more.
Grenade! Move! Reloading.
Whoa. Are you
Hey,
serious?
west choke, west choke, west choke.
I've got contact.
Oh my god. Fucking
Oh,
Ryu.
on that noise.
Medic. Cover you. I'll cover. I'm
I
empty.
love you
Cover
guys.
me.
Down.
Okay.
Up and over down. I'm in main lobby. Last one's probably gone. Nice job.
Good job.
James.
You had
Ryu,
him
I put
nailed.
like half a fucking magazine into you.
Alright, I gotta
Half
go.
a fucking magazine.
See ya.
Later, Harvey.
Good night. Night. Yeah, that was a nice name. I barely peeked around that corner and he capped me. I mean, I could barely see green across the way.